How to disable Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to disable Facebook account. So to disable your Facebook account, first thing first, make sure that your internet connection is stable, and also make sure to check for an update. If you've not updated your application, then all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store, and then on the search box type in Facebook, and if you see update instead of open, which indicates that the app needs to be updated. After the app is completely updated, click the open button and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you'll need to go ahead and tap the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. So after that, click the gear icon from the top right, and it's going to take you to settings and privacy. So as you can see right in between, you can see there is see more in account center. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll need to go ahead and tap on personal details. After that, you'll need to go ahead and click on account ownership and control. Once you do that, you'll be able to see two different options, that is memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Since you want to disable your account, go ahead and tap on deactivate or deletion. After that, select the particular account that you wish to deactivate or disable it. And once you've done that, there will be some sort of statement. Go through it all, click the continue button. For some security purpose, it's going to ask you to type in the password associated with your Facebook account. Now go ahead and type in your password. Once done, click the continue button. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that your account has been successfully disabled. And in this way, you can disable your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.